So for today's video, we're gonna be unboxing a package from Good Sins Asylum Art. So I'm an idiot. Is Good Sins Art Asylum. So I'm so excited to see what's in the box. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Also, if you're new to the channel, hi, hello, my name is Wendy, also best known as Dumbass Bitch, the noob in the hobby, the mask collector that has 3 brain cells and doesn't recollect all the information that she should know. But hi, nice to meet you. My name is Wendy. If you're new to the channel, and if you like the vibe so far, subscribe. Thank you guys for subscribing. If you are a viewer of the channel, we appreciate you here, or I appreciate you here. And yeah, this is a channel for everybody. I don't know, I feel like people like watching my videos because I do not know everything and I don't recollect everything. Like I recollect the information, like I collect masks, but I just don't have the memory span to save all the memory of all the information of masks. Okay, let me open it. Oh my goodness. So I got a bunch of shirts. So excited to see. We got balloons. Oh my gosh, fun fact, I'm actually very terrified of balloons, like the big ones from the malls, the ones where the little kids go like this and they're trying to hit you, and I'm like, oh, get that away from me. Like I have a huge fear of balloons, the big ones. Like I just get so uneasy. I think it's called like globophobia, and it's just so common. But these, they're so cute, they're so little, but the feeling of them it's making like my spidey sense is like ugh. But like, thank you, I really love this. These are small, these are so cute. There's a bunch of balloons. It's like a clown. Dun, 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 dun. Wait, hold on, can I juggle? Boom. No, I cannot juggle. Okay, so we have a cool mask. So this mask, it's like Hellraiser, like the first one whenever Pinhead human form gets skinned alive, right? And I don't know, this is so freaking amazing. Like, look at the texture of that. Oh, I love it. The talent, yes. Hello. Wait, I feel like Dwight from The Office meme. Hello, Clarice. Look, I like this. This is so cute. This fits my face. Hello, Clarice. ¿Quieres un taco? I don't know. I really like this. Thank you. Oh, I love this. A double gemstone necklace. Oh, wait. The glare. Glare, go away. Go away. Okay, well, the focus is this, but the lettering. This would go so cute with my fit today. Yes. Swag. Love it. Okay, and then we got some stickers. What? That was G. Okay, and a lighter. Oh yeah, Good Sins Art Asylum, they sell lighters. I saw them at Pelfest. I wanted to buy one so bad, but I don't know if I could take that at the plane. I am so excited for the stickers. I love stickers. That is so dope. Can you guys see that? Gorgeous. This is so cool. Good Sins, but in a smile. Love it. But it's like the Good Sins is like a cavity. Focus, camera. Focus. Okay, really cool. Sins Asylum Arts. I'm believing this is so cool. Wait, I kind of like the cutout of the sticker. Hold on. Focus. Camera, dumb. Camera, focus. Alright, thank you, Good Sins. I've been wanting the pink lighter. Oh, you knew me. You got me the pink and purple lighter. Yes, cute. And then we got our good friend Gerald. I'm calling him Gerald. This is my friend Gerald. He's cute. He's kind of shy. He's like, hey, with the party. Hey. Don't give me dolls, because I would literally start having the dolls break dance. Gerald, you're so skinny, king. Damn. I really like the texture of the blood and everything. TikTok, this is not real blood, but I love everything about this. Hey. Hold on. Hey. Gerald. Everybody throw it up for Gerald. Hey. I I love Gerald. Gerald, can you be like, hey, what up? What up, fam? I'm having way too much fun with Gerald. Woo! Look at that, the drip. Good Sins Art Asylum. Hell yeah. And I just noticed the back. I love when shirts have back designs. There's like school hands. Heck yeah. I'm gonna wear this on right now and try it on. I really like the shirt. I really like the quality. This is like such a nice quality shirt. I like getting shirts, so if you guys want to send me any shirts, feel free. Cute. I'm gonna wear it right now. Bam, what up with the drip, dog? Shit. Oh wait, I'm not supposed to talk like that. I'm a lady. I'm a lady. Look at this fire ass fashion. Cute. Move chair. Hey, what up? That's my twin. That's me, my twin. Don't you ever disrespect me nor my son ever again. So guys, if you really like this video, go check out Good Sins Art Asylum. The links will be down in the description and in the comments and also on this video. Let them know CuteHorror send you. And bro, why is Gerald looking like he's proposing? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Gerald is telling you, hit that subscribe button right now, and if you don't, he'll curse you. Okay, so Gerald is asking you for so Gerald is please asking you to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't, because why haven't you? But yeah, I just want to say once again, thank you so much, Good Sins Art Asylum, for sending me this amazing, lovely care package. Check out their masks, check out their creations. Look at that. Oh yeah. And if you need a lighter to lit up the barbecue for some tacos, or like some flour, or some, I don't know, whatever you like to light it up. Good Sins Art Asylum. Yeah. So YouTube doesn't let me put cool music over this, so I'm gonna be boring. But look at that, all that detail, so good. Check out Good Sins Art Asylum once again. They're so good. If you need a lighter to light up things, they got the lighters for you. And thank you for my homeboy Gerald. May you guys have a happy season, holidays, and wash your ass, please. Thank you.